Hello, you trader nerds. Welcome in with Sweet Bobby. We are here on a wacky Wednesday and glad to have you aboard. Look in the description of the video. You can get our spreadsheet, you can get our trading plan, you can get one-on-one coaching. There are all different kinds of things that you can get. So we'd love to have you be a part of our group. We do pretty good, actually. We're really good. We're not the best, but we're up there, I tell you. Now, the market's having a good little pullback today. Look at that, down 36 handles, down 0.69%. And normally when we see a market come down, we've been seeing about a 0.7% pullback, haven't we? So that's good. And it's healthy along the way. We don't want the market to go up. Hey, he's into my, Beth, get the dog. He's into my, they did not put up my brushes. He's got my paint brushes. Hey, get the dog. He's in my paint brushes. Come here. Emma, put my paintbrushes up. See my paintbrushes? Emma, y'all left them all out, and he's getting into my paint supplies. Put my paintbrushes up. Put these up over here. Gosh, unbelievable. Yeah, I have made the final decision, man. I am not going to do gold, and I'm not going to do crude oil. Screw it. I'm going to do exactly what I'm doing. Yeah, take your little dog down. I have had it. I'm like, I thought about doing it, and then I'm like, I don't need that. I just don't need it. You know, and it was Raging Bull who said, Bobby, how you doing? I said, I'm doing great. He goes, why would you change something? And I thought, you know what, you're right. Diet Coke. That's my decision. So look at this, y'all. The AD, what's the VIX at? VIX is at 14, so our positions will be suffering a little bit today. AD really negative, negative 381. We may even see some further down moves in the day, but we're still at the opening 15-minute range, which is kind of cool. AD negative 381. Volume is, I don't know. I wish I had my average volume there, but it's gone forever, I guess. So let's look at the Big Green Monster. Big Green Monster broke the 200. This is not the daily moving average. This is the 200 moving average on the 30-minute chart. So we broke that. So now this will serve as resistance. And so next target 52.69. Mark it down. We are going 52.69. Let's look at the linear regression. Linear regression is in a consolidation pattern. We will make a decision at some point after it breaks out of the consolidation period. But so far, consolidation is where we are at. And that's good because that will telegraph our next upcoming move. So let's see how bad our little account is down today since we're, let's see, today is the 29th, 5/29/24. And our little thing is at 47.43810, 47.438.10. So we are down just a bit. Now we're only up 13% on the year. Wow. How are we doing in comparison to the market? The market is up 10.72%. We're at 12.88%. That is fine. Everything's looking good. Let's look at our Greeks and ratios today. Greeks and ratios, we are at 143.70. See what that looks like, 143.70. We're a little too long, it looks like, 143.70. And we are at a 14 on the VIX. So we're a little hot, y'all. A little hot here. And our buying power usage is buying power usage is 23,216. 23,216. All right, y'all, we're at 50% and we're a little hot on all areas. What we're going to do is do similarly to what we did yesterday, and we're going to put a negative delta trade on and a negative theta trade on in attempts to get this back in line. So no need to do a trade today. I want you to understand, this is important. You've got to diagnose your patient. My deltas are 143. I'm a little hot. See, it's red. My theta is 70. That's a little hot. But it all depends on my buying power. I'm at 49% buying power. I don't need to go above 50% buying power. So basically what the patient is telling me is, hey, Bob, slow your roll, baby. Slow your roll. Let the theta decay and just bide your time and let these options come in. So in the meantime, I'm going to do something that's going to be a negative delta trade. So what we'll do is we'll do a put debit spread, and we might do a number of put debit spreads. in the macros to get us a little negative delta and a little negative theta. So let's go to trade. And where we're going to go to 120 days. So we got 114 and 142. So let's go to 114. I don't like it that I have one here. Where's my stuff? I did that one and I did this one. Give me a decent price. No, it's not even showing the stuff. Let me log out, log back in. That's what we'll do. We'll go sign out. And we'll sign back in. Give her a second. Here we go. See if we can see those missing. And have y'all noticed since Thinkorswim is taken over by Schwab that now they log you out every day? I don't know if that's good or not. I'm just saying that they do.
They didn't log me out.
Really, they're logging me out every day. It logs out every day, which I thought was interesting. Let's go here. All right, now let's go trade and let's go to MES. Not MESW, MES. That's interesting. Is anyone else getting logged out or is it just me? Maybe they're just saying, you evil Bobby. Let's see what we can do the 5100, 50 here for 710. Let's put 4 on 1, 2, 3, 4, 725.
Turn on your privacy.
No, turn on my privacy. Thanks. There we go. So now we'll go see if we can get filled to 730 on those. There we go. 730 it is. So let's go put those in. With 114 days, we filled the 5100s. 114 days, 1500s. 114 days, 5100s. So the 5100, 50, 50 puts, debit spread. And we'll call this 5, 29, 24. Do y'all see how portfolio management is? Once you get it, I think you're going to be like, wow, now I know how to manage a portfolio. This is it. So we did 4 of those puppies. So we'll call it PDS 16. There, PDS 16. So let's see what that looks like. PDS 16. Let's go to positions. MES M4. We got 4 of these. Is that what I did today? No, that's not it today. Let's see, Z4. 4 of these. PDS. I said it's PDS 16. So group those positions. Group positions. PDS 16. All right. So let's go in and let's look at it again. Let's diagnose the patient. All you got to do is let the spreadsheet do it for you. You put in 143, it tells you it's red. So then you go over here on the right and it'll say, hey, Bob, you've got 72, too many long deltas. You're too long. You're not delta neutral anymore. You're long. So I put in a short delta trade. It also says, hey, your theta is a little hot. You should be no more than 0.10, but that's okay as long as we're not over 50% delta. So this and this, you could actually put it green because I am in the cruising mode, whereas if I'm at above the 200-day moving average and all that, which we are. The moving average I showed you before was the 30-minute moving average. We're below, not the 200 daily moving average. So this allows me to go up to 50%. So hopefully by putting that in, we made a difference in our thing. Let's see. So now we're at 140.87. 140. Look at there. My deltas, my theta went up. 140. Should have went down. 87. And let's see what our buying power went to. 23,216. And now we're at position 23,203. That should have went down too. 23,203. But anyway,
Might
you
have
get
to
the,
go to that cap thing and refresh
yeah, I
it.
may have to refresh it, right? Let's see. Let's go to positions, cap request, cap requirement, do that. If that did anything. A little bit, 23,044, so we're good. 23,044, but it's just making incremental changes in the portfolio to get that down a little bit, to get this down a little bit, and to get that down a little bit. That's all we did today. Now, I could do bigger. I mean, y'all, it says that I'm 70, 69 high. So what I could do is actually sell a future to get me 50 extra delta, so I'd only be 19 long, but no need in doing that. And most of the time, you don't need to do that. Selling futures is a losing game most of the time, and it's just going to bite you. So all I'm doing is saying, am I comfortable with this present risk? Yes, I am. I'm comfortable with this present risk. Did the VP go up because of the VIX? It may have, because of volatility going up. What about the zebra? Absolutely, we could do the zebra, right? That'd be a good thing to do. Let's look at the zebra, y'all. Let's see what the zebra says that it is. Let's go to the old trading plan. Didn't even think about the zebra, but we wrote the zebra in here, didn't we? Let's see where we put the zebra in. Zebra, using MES or ES, sell one at the money put, okay? Buy two in the money puts nearest to 60 days to expiration, so that the extrinsic value is near zero. Look at that, couldn't we? We could look at the zebra. Not set the spreadsheet up to account for a zebra, so it's one of those kind of outside realm trades that we would do to do it. But we would sell an at the money put, buy two in the money puts nearest to 60 days, so the extrinsic value is zero. Let's see what that looks like.
And apparently now you can put them all, you can put it all together now. I didn't try it yet,
Yeah,
but
how
yeah,
about that? That's good
it'll be
too.
cool.
But this is Victor's idea, by the way. This is Victor's idea. So this is a really good idea, I think. So Victor, you said go closest to 60 days. So we got a 63 day here, right? And we could do it in the MES, I guess. And you said sell a at the money, right?
Yeah. So it would be 50, well, 53.50. I guess where you get the most extrinsic value.
Mm-hmm. And then we were like buy two in the money so that the extrinsic value is near zero. So let's just
Yeah.
put this in.
Usually it's around between 65 and 67 delta. It's just as a guideline to put it on.
I got to go the right way, Victor. What am I doing wrong? Well, you got to go way up, don't you? Extrinsic here is 413. That look right at all? Doesn't look right, does it? We're getting that extrinsic lower and lower, but boy, we're going up. Where we
You're
going?
somewhere, you're at 90 delta. You need to go back down to like 65, 70 with your longs.
But if we're trying to get that extrinsic at zero, let's see if we know what we're doing here.
You're still at 83. So yeah, furthermore.
Why is the extrinsic doing going? Let's see. Dwayne says, are you
Yeah.
talking about Thinkorswim desktop getting locked out? Yes. Look at setup general security and you can change it up to 24 hours. Oh, good. Put the extrinsic column on. Yeah, ZK, that's a good idea. But I'm looking right here at the total extrinsic of the whole trade.
Yeah, but did you sell only one? Do you have
No.
anything else on? No? Okay.
I don't think so. Just these two.
So let me try on my platform real quick. What
Yeah,
are you,
try on yours.
63
See, let's
days?
see if I'm, yeah, 63
Let me-
days.
Let me just do that real quick. 63 days. If I go and I sell one at 53.50 and then go and buy around, let me do this here too. So yeah, I buy at 54.60 or 54.50. There you go. 54.50 and
Uh-huh.
53.50.
And
And it's
53.50.
yeah, it's right around zero extrinsic, or 5-10 moves around.
Wonder why mine's saying negative 608 there.
I don't know, and it costs 200, 199.50
You know,
debit.
199.50
Yeah.
debit.
So something is off with your extrinsic value.
Hmm.
I don't know what.
That's interesting. So this gives you a little negative delta, a little negative theta, little gives my buying power a $1,200.
Well, it should give you almost like 45 negative deltas, SPY negative delta.
And it's costing me what, $1,000?
No, it's not costing you. It's
Shouldn't
just
cost
you
1,000,
have
should it?
no. It's about $200 is what the initial cost is, but then you know you might not, depending on where the market goes, you might not need to spend anything. I mean, that's just initial
Yeah.
cost.
So y'all, I don't think I'm going to put it on. I think, you know, my thing is you got to ask yourself, am I comfortable with the risk where I am? And I'm comfortable with the risk where I'm at. Yeah, we can look at the risk graph on it. Let's see what it looks like, y'all. Let's see, curve analysis. Do the 1, 2. What we like about it and what Victor, when he brought it up, is instead of selling a future and getting, you know, your losses going down here, it kind of caps your loss right there, right? Kind of caps your loss, but it gives you the same profile as if you had shorted a future there to the downside. Really cool trade.
Just gotta be careful with the VIX, because like if the VIX is high and you put it on and the VIX goes down, you lose money, even if you know if the move is small, because it's a the way it's set up.
Good. All right, guys. Good session today. Appreciate all the input and everything. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. We'll see everybody tomorrow. Bye, y'all.